Are affiliate marketing course really worth it? Hey guys, Jackson here with Internet Money Lifestyles, and my primary goal with this YouTube channel is to teach people how to make money online, primarily through affiliate marketing in YouTube. I believe that's the most simple way for a beginner to get set up, and then it's also the best business model, actual business model that you can set up and you can earn money passively. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. Affiliate marketing, simply put, is taking someone else's product, selling it, and then you earn a commission off that. You don't have to deal with upfront costs. You don't have to deal with physical products. You don't have to deal with customer service. The most simple business model that you can actually follow and build a sustainable passive income full-on business. Now, I see this question all the time. Is it worth it to buy a course for affiliate marketing? But we've got to understand that it's 2021. I mean, let's jump over to my computer real quick. So here we are on my computer, and this is an incognito window. So we're here on YouTube, and then we got Google. But you got to realize that nowadays, all it takes is one simple search of affiliate marketing. And then boom, right here, it's going to show you basically everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, how to get started, what to do, and how to learn the business model of affiliate marketing. If you want to learn how to be a mechanic, I mean, you could actually do that through YouTube, learn the basics of absolutely everything. I mean, man, you can learn how to do just about everything, probably outside of becoming a doctor or an engineer or something like, that takes a lot of schooling. But I really believe that you can do almost anything with YouTube and Google nowadays. But the issue is if you use YouTube, it's almost like a path. You're given this path and you're given this direction, that direction, this direction, that direction, which almost ends up looking like a tree, so to speak, because you have all these different routes that you could end up going. And then if you would have stayed on one path, you would have led you to success, whereas you go down this road, and then you take this road, and this road, and this road, and then you have an idea of what you're doing, but you don't have any guidance or any direction. And I believe that with a course that you actually spend a little bit of money on in order to become successful and know exactly what to do, it's required in order to actually be successful at doing said thing. It's just like school. Like if you wanted to become a doctor, you're spending the money for the school in order to take the right path to success, to get to become the doctor that you want to become. Like, sure, there's so many affiliate marketing programs and websites out there that you can use. Like, if I want to learn how to promote ClickBank, I could go affiliate marketing, ClickBank, if I type it in correctly, and I'm going to get all these tutorials. I mean, look right here, step-by-step, beginners for 2021 free $300 a day strategy. Sure, right there, 23 minutes you could go through and you'd have a good idea of what to do, but you wouldn't know the entire details of affiliate marketing. I'm sure this teaches you how to set up, your ClickBank account, how to find a product, and then now you just got to go promote it. Yes, that is part of affiliate marketing, but there's so much more to it. You actually need to build a landing page, set up a funnel, set up an email autoresponder. Then you need to be able to follow up with those people. There's so much more to affiliate marketing than just what the basic YouTube video can do. Now, sure, you could go here, you could learn the basics, then you can go learn how to set up a funnel. Then you could go to another video, how to set up an email responder, then how to do email follow-up sequence, then how to add an offer. There's so much to it, and you could do it all through YouTube, but there's no guidance. And if you don't know the direct path on where you need to go and how to set it up, well, you're never going to get there, because all these people are trying to do is sell you a course, their specific course. Not saying that's bad, but they're trying to sell their specific course based off their 23-minute video. So we go back to the questions. Are affiliate marketing course really worth it? Well, my answer to that is yes, absolutely. Because with a course, you can learn everything that you need to know with actual step-by-step guidance on what you need to do. It'll teach you what affiliate marketing is. It'll teach you how to do all the steps from setting up a website or a funnel to getting your emails, to getting email autoresponder, to then following up with those people, building a following, how to get people to your funnel in the first place with YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. It shows you all these different methods. That's what a course is going to do, and that's why a course brings so much value over just trying to learn how to do a business, any type of business, with just YouTube and Google or whatever method else you use. But a course is actually going to give you direction. And so now you might be asking yourself, okay, Jackson, now what is the best course you recommend? And before you click off, I'm not selling my course. I am going to recommend a course that I am using currently right now, and it only cost me $7 to get started, and I have a full affiliate marketing program completely set up. With this business model, for only $7, I have probably about 5 different affiliate income sources that could possibly produce me an actual income. So if we hop over here over on my computer, you will see, if you go down in the description below, click that link. Click the link in the description. It's going to lead you to this page right here, which is then going to give you a free ebook download. This guy right here, his name is Jonathan Montoya. He's the one that I am following right now. He is absolutely killing it. I started following him back at the end of November of 2019, and I saw him on YouTube, clicked one of his videos, and I decided to follow him to kind of see, how well is this guy going to actually do? I mean, it didn't seem like he was doing very well at the beginning. He was new, and it was just like everybody else trying to try it. Well, I follow him now, and I think in June or July this year, 2021, he did over 6 figures in sales. I've watched him from the very beginning to now, and he is absolutely crushing it now. This guy knows what he's talking about. I mean, he is killing it, and he will stress time and time again that you have got to invest in yourself. This dude spent over $25,000 in mentors and coaches in his business model, in affiliate marketing. He spent the money. You at some point, you do have to spend money for guidance to help take you to that next level, and this guy is it. But he puts out tons and tons of free content. But his course, the $7 course, that if you go down in the link below, click it, get started, it's going to bring you to this page, and then you're going to get access to this 7-step to becoming a super affiliate. And in this ebook, it lays out everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. It gives you where to go, what to do, how to get signed up. It shows you everything. And that ebook is completely free. But wait, after you go there, you put in your email, you get the ebook, check your email, and that's something you can read whenever you're on the run, you're at your job, whatever. And that'll give you some more details. But this right here, this is called the Freedom Breakthrough, the Affiliate Blueprint Academy. This is like his full-blown course. If you scroll down, this is actually inside of the course. This is his full affiliate marketing program, which is, I think, right around $1,000. I haven't even bought that yet, but what I did buy was for $7, the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. It's day 1, 2, 3 to get a full affiliate marketing business up and running, and it only costs I can't believe I only spent $7 and I have my full business completely up and running. It actually amazes me. But day 1, it's a 37-minute video, and he tells you everything you need to do, and you do your homework and you go through the entire day. It teaches you what affiliate marketing is, how to earn commissions. That's day 1. Then day 2, you really start to get the ball rolling. You start to set things up. And day 3, you learn how to drive traffic to your offer, because that is the number one issue. Anybody can set up an affiliate marketing business, but it's all about getting traffic to your funnel so you can actually earn sales. That's where it gets hard. But here he teaches you how to do it. And then down here as a bonus, this is exactly what I did to set up. He gives you his own funnel. Basically, if you don't know what a funnel is, his own website that you get to put in as yours, and then you get to earn the commissions. It looks really good. Like I said, if we jump back over here, this is what he gives me. And then this is all going to be made for you already, and all you have to do is put in your information. If you were to go through this is going to be your name, your email address, and I'm going to get that, and that's going to be put on my email list. And that's exactly what you're going to do after you go through this program. So it's completely done for you. You just got to take the 3 days to learn it, set up the funnel, get your ebook, and then you can give that ebook to other people for free. I mean, it's awesome. And then on top of that, you become an affiliate through his program. So that way, if you get people to sign up and they go buy his $1,000 course, you make a 50% commission. And sometimes he does 75% commissions. But worst case scenario, let's say he just leaves it at 50%. If somebody buys that $1,000 course, you get the chance to earn $500. But besides all of that, besides the earnings, this is probably the best affiliate marketing course I have ever come across. It's the most simple to set up. It's simple and straightforward to the point. It helps anybody that is wanting to start their own business, their own affiliate marketing business, to earn passive income, whether to supplement income or to start to do this full time. You get to learn it in 3 days. You don't have to take months or years to learn this. In 3 days, you can have a full business model set up, start to earn commissions, and then maybe after a few commissions, you can invest into his $1,000 course. And then you can really start to grasp affiliate marketing. And then you can go down your own path from there. Needless to say, do I think affiliate marketing courses are really worth it? Absolutely. It gives you step-by-step guidance on exactly what you want and need to do. Yes, absolutely. You can go to YouTube and Google and learn everything you need to learn, but it's going to take you so much longer versus 3 days to learn how to set up everything and everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Guys, I hope this video was beneficial for those of you that stuck around. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. I am just now starting out, so if you want to follow me and see how I do and see the success that I have, I highly recommend hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button for more content. That's going to drive me to put out more content for you guys, and you can really just follow along. And maybe right now you're not looking to buy a course, you just kind of want to see if this is actually worth it, something you really want to do. Just follow along and see how I do and see the success that comes from this, and then after a while you can make your decision. But if you're a go-getter and you want to get started and you want to build a business right now, you're tired of your job, you need to supplement income because you want a nicer car, nicer house, you want more in life, then I can't stress it enough. Go down to the link below, click the link, and get signed up today. It literally only costs $7. Let's go.